Yo, what is good, everybody? S Crypto 101 coming at you guys with another video today, and it just feels good to say that, guys. It feels good, guys and girls. It feels good to say that. It feels good to have the piggy bank and pigs and all that good stuff back live. It feels good to finally seeing some green in the market now. If that's gonna stay, I'm not sure. It's been crazy over the past couple of days, especially the past couple of days, guys. Hopefully no one got wrecked on Luna, any of that stuff. Sorry if you did, but hey, that is crypto. That shows you that you should always diversify your funds, and you should always just look into the different protocols and really what makes up these things. But that's on a whole nother note. Today we're talking about the good stuff over here. Forex has finally done it. Forex has brought the sledgehammer, and he is giving us the work over here. He is building his bag up over here and allowing us to build our bag too. So make sure you guys stop what you're doing right now. Make sure that you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button so you know as soon as these videos are released. Now, I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step walkthrough of everything here on animalfarm.app and exactly what you need to do to get started, explain each of the protocols here, and really just break this down for you guys as simple as possible. So let's get straight to it. So first, you have the home here. This is going to tell you all about some of the information that you need to know about the animal farm. Now, the animal farm is actually all these components, as well as the farms and the single staking asset pools that we have as well. But all of that is not currently on. Today, we're just going to be talking about what is active, and that is the pig pen, the piggy bank, the drip garden is as well. We won't talk about that. You should already know what the drip garden is. But we're just going to talk about pigs for pretty much this whole video. So first, guys, what you have to do is, if you were in V1, you were supposed to credit your pigs to the contract that Forex had given out a couple weeks ago. And what it is going to allow you to do is be able to claim those pigs that you had submitted either to the pig pen or the piggy bank. Now, if you already had stakes created in the V1 piggy bank, those are going to cross over to V2 automatically. You do not have to do anything. Repeat, you do not have to do anything with your V1 stakes. They will cross over automatically to V2. Now, the only reason that you would have to come here is if you credited pigs, just pigs, solely to the contract. Now, two options. You can claim those pigs that you have here directly to the pig pen. And what it's going to do with the pig pen is it's going to lock up your pigs for 50 days. Now, that is a big change. Initially, the pig pen, you could take out your pigs. You could take them out, put them in. I think there was like a 12-hour lockup period, but now it is 50 days. So definitely understand that. Make sure you understand that. Don't sit there and get pissed off or anything, because once you do put it in the pig pen, it does lock it for 50 days. But you're able to get 2% of your pigs out every single day, and we'll go through that once we get to the pig pen. Or you can claim here to the piggy bank, and what you have to do is you have to get the pigs here, and you have to have the same amount of BUSD value, and you can pair up the BUSD with the pigs, and then you can create a stake which will go directly to the piggy bank. So if you had one pigs, you would have to currently have BUSD value of $212. One pig, $212 worth of BUSD. Then you would be able to create your LP pair. And then from here, you could decide how much you want to time lock it for. So as you can see, this is crazy. So 156 weeks is the max that you can time lock it, but you're looking at 149,000% time lock bonus. Now, I'm going to get into a strategy on the next video, show you guys my strategy, the different things that you can do. But feel free to, lock this up, because the longer you lock it up, the longer you're going to be able, or the more rewards that you're going to be able to get. So what this does is it locks up the rewards that you'd be able to claim each day. And I'll show you that once we get to the piggy bank. And then, of course, what you would do from here is you would go ahead and claim your pig BUSD LP pair, and it's going to send it directly to your piggy bank. That's all you have to do. So you have two options. You can come here to the piggy bank, lock it up for 50 days. You can withdraw 2% of your pigs out of the pig pen every single day. And then from here, you are earning pigs and BUSD. from the piggy bank, you're locking your stake up indefinitely. You cannot pull out your initial deposit. You only can pull out the 3% that you're making every single day, only if you don't have it locked. Now, if you have it locked, you can't pull out anything at all. So let's get straight into it. Pigpen. So as you guys can see here, we already have 240,000 pigs locked, 53 million TVL in the Pigpen. This is crazy. $1.9 million in the rewards vault. Forex also said today he's going to put another million in there. So we're almost going to have $3 million worth of BUSD in the reward vault. So as you can see here, I have 35 pigs staked. I'm able to withdraw 2% of the pigs every single day. So that means I technically should be able to get 0.7 pigs every single day out of the pig pen. Now, as you can see, if I come here to withdraw pigs, it's been 2 days. So 0.7 for 2 days is 1.43 pigs. So I would be able to take these pigs out. But if I do, I stop earning BUSD and pigs off of what I've withdrawn. So it would turn this to 34.26. And then that's what I would be earning BUSD and pigs off of. So that is one big change. So definitely keep that in mind. So as you can see here, what you'll pretty much do is this shows the reward center for your pig pen. And this is the BUSD that you're able to claim. Now, there isn't a set APR on this because the amount of people in the pig pen is going to fluctuate, as well as the reward vault. So there's no true APR on this. I definitely think this is a safe investment. And also you can always pull your pigs out at the end of 50 days. So you're not locked up like the piggy bank. You're also getting these great rewards. And I think Pigpen is a great place to put it. Like I said, I'll get into strategy in the next video. So what you would do is come down here. You can compound your pigs and claim BUSD. Now I have to get a little bit more clarification. It seems like you're not actually able to claim the pigs. You're only able to claim the BUSD, and then the pigs get compounded back into your stake balance. And I believe that's what happens there. I have to get some more clarification, but I'll definitely get an answer for you guys on that. Now let's move over to the piggy bank. Now the piggy bank is a different beast. I definitely think, and this is not financial advice, but if you are interested in making more money off of a smaller investment, I think that the piggy bank is the best place to go. So here, what you're having to do is you need to get pigs, BUSD LP, like I was talking about with the pigs credit, which you can come here to the buy add liquidity tab. This is going to take you over to PancakeSwap, and it already has all the information here preloaded for you, and it's going to allow you to get pigs. So you can trade for pigs here. And then all you have to do is buy those pigs, do that confirmation transaction in MetaMask, come here to add liquidity. Your pigs are already there. Select a currency, BUSD, and then you can pair those up. Now, what that's going to allow you to do is once you pair those up, you're going to come here and you're going to have that LP value here in the balance. From here, then you would be able to choose how much of it you want to actually stake. Now, from here, you put as much LP as you want, and then you have your time lock bonuses here for however long that you want to lock it. So as you can see, as you lock it longer, you're going to get larger time lock bonuses. Now, this is where daily compounding really comes into play, because you're going to start earning that time lock bonus on your initial deposit. So that's going to compound with what you are compounding every single day. And you're going to be getting more from this time lock bonus. Now, the way that Forex has it set up is you're going to get a majority of your time lock bonus towards the end of your stake versus the beginning of your stake. So definitely keep that in mind. But I definitely think this is the biggest bang for your buck. As you can see, I have a couple of stakes here. So I've been able to earn right around $280 to $300 every single day based off of this. So my plan is definitely these are time locked. All you can do is compound it. So you have 3 different options here. Now, if you are time locked, all you can do is compound. You cannot sell because it's time locked, as you can see the cursor here. But if it is one that is not time locked, you can come here and you can sell your truffles, which this is your truffles available. And if I sold it, this is the truffle value I am selling. So I'm selling $19.59 worth of truffles. You also can compound this, which in this case I can't yet. and you have the ability to deposit more into a stake from what this is showing. So I have to get more clarification on that, but I know for sure this is if you want to sell your available truffles. This is if you want to compound your balance, and deposit, I believe, is if you want to deposit more into a untime lock stake, because I don't think you'd be able to deposit more into a time lock stake, but we'll get some more clarification on that. So definitely check this out. I think the piggy bank is going to be the best bang for your buck. If you're coming in with a couple $100, I would come in here versus getting a couple pigs and going into the pig pen, because you're going to see a lot more rewards here. And not financial advice, I always tell people, only lock it up for how long you are comfortable with. If you are scared for a month, don't sit there and lock it up for 2 years. Go ahead and do what you're comfortable with. This is crypto. You can see anything can change. Pigs could be $1,000. Pigs could be $100 in a couple days. You never know. It's crypto. I think pigs are going to moon the way that Forex has it set up. The only way that you can get old pigs, you have to take it to the pig pen and lock it up for 50 days, or you have to take it from here, the credit, and put it in the piggy bank and lock it up. So there's no way really to dump pigs if you had pigs before, because it's locked up. You only have 2 options, pig pen or piggy bank. The only way to get pigs right now is to buy it. So definitely check out the chart. It's doing really well. As you can see, the price is at 212, and I think we started at 150. So this is just going to keep going up, especially with all the advertisement and marketing that's coming. This is going to be a great play in my opinion, but as always, not financial advice. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So I'm going to show you guys really quick what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and compound these, because these are stakes. That's all I can do with them, and I can compound these every single day, and that is my plan. I told you I'm going to tell you my strategy a little bit further on the next video, because I don't want to break that all down. But as you can see, definitely the piggy bank making almost $300 a day from here, and this is 3%. So looking really, really good here. And as you can see, we'll let this transition over. This is going to turn to 0, and then this is going to increase my piglet amount, and that's how that should go. Now, if you guys want to hop on my team, definitely feel free to join using my link below. I'm going to do airdrops for people on my team. If you want to be eligible for airdrops, all you have to do is do a stake under my referral address for at least 5 LP, and you have to time lock it for at least 3 months. And then you're going to be eligible for all the different airdrop stakes I give out. Now that's going to be a lot of different ones. It's going to be random. We're going to have some big stakes that are given out, some small stakes. We're going to be giving out a stake. It's going to be a stake house. So definitely stay tuned. Hop on my team if you want a great chance at some huge piggy bank stakes. And I think these things are honestly life-changing. You have this compounding that you're able to do every single day with your 3%, and you have your time lock rewards that's going into this as well. Now, just really wanted to walk you guys through it. If you want some more details, definitely feel free to check out the documentation here. I think the piggy bank and the pig pen are great plays. I think that things are going to moon. I can't wait until dogs come into play as well. But I'm just glad that this is back and we are back to 100%. So we're going to keep letting this thing go. I'm going to refresh this because I want to see those piglets refresh, and this should kick on for us. One thing I would say with Fix is the fact that you have to connect your wallet every single time, but hey, it is what it is. But as you guys can see, this one has compounded. It increased my piglets amount here. We're almost at 110K, which I think we were at 105. So definitely doing work there, and I'm going to keep compounding these things, and these things are going to grow like crazy. Now, I've shown you guys what you need to do in terms of the pig pen. I've shown what you need to do if you're trying to get your credit for your pigs, and I've shown what you need to do and explain the piggy bank as well, and how to buy and add liquidity. Super easy. If you have any questions, feel free to drop by in the Telegram. The link to the Bag Builders Telegram is below in the description. Come check us out. I really like that team. Trying to keep it low key. A big team isn't always the best team. I want to get some degens in there, some savages in there, and just make sure that we're all looking out for each other, because at the end of the day, that is the best thing about community. Now, like I said, glad to be back, guys. Definitely hit subscribe, leave your feedback. Let me know what you guys think about Piggy Bank. Let me know what you guys think about Drip. Let me know what you guys would like to see me cover. Make sure that you guys are commenting, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification button as well. Make sure you guys check your boy out on Twitter and Instagram as well at scrypto101. I'm going to keep doing my thing. We're going to be over here. The piggy bank and the pig pen is back, and we're going to see these pigs move. Let's go.